Hello, family. This is the Queen Who cares for you, and I am trying to make my way to the mailbox. Well, I could wait till all of this over, but I'm nosy. I just want to get out and see what's going on. But oh my goodness, you know what? I say, oh, I hope I don't fall. So what I'm gonna do is walk on some trails that people already walked on. I see some people right here now look like they're getting stuck. Yeah. I don't understand how these people, well, I guess people have cabinet fever and they have to get out the house. They stuck already. This is what we dealing with here in Decatur. In Decatur, Georgia. And it's a car right now stuck. Y'all see I got on my little snow, well, these ain't snow boots, but hey, they're good enough to come out here. But somebody done got bogged down, which I know is gonna happen. Look at that. Wow. I can't believe we got so much snow in a couple of hours. Oh, God. These people should know better. My car is not moving until Monday morning. Trust me and believe it is not moving until Monday morning. Hi, how you doing? Y'all making a snowman? Y'all don't mind if I video y'all. Oh, dear. Oh, my God. Now this stuff done turned to slush. Pew. Oh, God. I don't understand how people... I'd be too scared to drive. I text my coworker because she said she was coming to work because she lived right around the corner from the job. And she said only 3 people showed up. I mean, come on. Use wisdom. I always say you can have all the BBDs and DDDs behind your name, but if you ain't got common sense, you can't.